This is a quick overview of an asynchronous course I've created utilizing a learning management system, or LMS, utilizing the Canvas LMS. The topic of discussion would be based on home equity products for new hires at a credit union. This would be taken over 4 lessons. The first page is showing the overview of the course so that the learner has an idea of what will be covered over the next few days. It also includes helpful links to help the learner navigate pages and prepare for the technology that will be utilized throughout the course. The next page is the syllabus that has a detailed outline of what to expect from the class, objectives, resources, technical requirements, how they will be graded, assignments and due dates, and who they can contact for any accommodations that may be needed. Next, there will be a link to the class's Yammer page that will be utilized for class discussions. Then we get into the lessons. Lesson 1's focus is to review the syllabus, create an introduction to classmates, and getting into some foundational information about home equities. This lesson includes a video to introduce the learners to the basics of equity, then having them discuss with their classmates what they've learned, what they have found that was interesting, and what they are still confused about. The next page has the learner apply their new skills in calculating equity and allow the instructor to check for understanding. Lesson 2 focuses on home equity loan product knowledge. This lesson utilizes Edpuzzle to have the learner absorb the material and then apply what they have learned with a few questions throughout the video. Learners will then demonstrate their understanding of calculating a member's loan-to-value percentage. Finally, the learners will respond to a discussion post via video explaining 3 key features they would like to share with their member and why. Lesson 3 would be geared towards the home equity line of credit and its features. This lesson uses VoiceThread to introduce the information, as well as allow learners to make comments and respond via text, audio, or video submission. Then, learners will practice calculating how much a member would borrow if they were to apply for a home equity line of credit, as these numbers differ from home equity loans. The learners will discuss which of the two is a more superior product and are expected not only to respond to their classmates, but respond to at least one classmate with a differing view. Lastly, the learners will create a funny meme, applying what they have learned so far about home equity products and sharing them on the class Yammer page. Lesson 4 is primarily allowing learners to apply their newfound knowledge through various activities. First, they will create a job aid with their assigned groups utilizing Canva. Then, they will write a discussion post about 3 things they have learned, 2 things they have found interesting, and 1 item they still have questions about. They will discuss this with their peers. Next, they will have practice responding to questions about home equities utilizing a simulation created in Rise 360. Then, discuss any challenges they have faced during the role-play simulation. Finally, the learners will work together creating a role-play video project. They will demonstrate their skills answering questions the member may have about a home equity loan or line of credit via Zoom recording.